In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Crunchyroll Premium not active in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of things that you want to do firstly. So firstly, you want to verify your account. So check which email is linked to your subscription by logging into Crunchyroll account settings. If you used a different sign-in method like Google or Apple ID, try logging in directly with your email and password, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, and if you subscribe through the mobile application, what you want to do is open your application, go to the account tab, and then you want to simply go ahead and go to membership, and then you want to simply go ahead and click on restore membership. That way you can simply go ahead and restore your purchase. If that is not the case, you can also try to log out of your account everywhere on every device and then try logging in as well. And that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.